The start is a clean frequency after the break. This is the centre point of the cross I'm going to start building. It's a still point where the system clears and the distortion drops and the true line becomes visible. The centre here is a frequency reset. It's where the collapse has already happened, the noise has already fallen away, and the distortion has already been exposed, and the system will start to run clean. The star card here is a first stable frequency after the break. It's not about hope, healing or emotion. The star is here to bring you clarity. It's revealing the true line and showing the direction that was hidden under interference and removing false momentum. Anything that you feel that was pushing you off centre will be stripped out during this Karmic Cross. It recalibrates the field and the system returns to its natural frequency, not the compensatory, stabilise itself, and establishes a new coordinate and gives you the exact point where you need to start next in Karmic Reset. It's saying to you essentially, follow the clean line, ignore the noise and move toward what is structurally true, not emotionally familiar. This star is not a wish, it is a coordinate. Let's see what we have activating in the south, your roots and your wisdom. We've got strength. Strength in the south is showing that your system is under pressure. It's always the contraction point, the ignition point and the exposure layer. It's not about courage, compassion or taming anything. It's a pressure point where your system shows you this is a part of you that is over carrying the load. You've been carrying far too much of your share and absorbing the pressure from outside that it does not belong to you. You're stabilising unstable people and holding collapsing structures and compensating for everyone else's weakness by being the one who is always brave. You being the strong one at your own expense, and this is the overgiver pattern that we see across internal alchemy to stabilise the self. The Karmic Cross is activating here so you can let go of holding everyone else together and removing this false responsibility that you've taken upon yourself and exposing the imbalance of over-carrying and the stabiliser role and starting to release this load just because everyone looks up to you as being the brave one. So in South, it's telling you to stop carrying what isn't yours and stop stabilising what is collapsing and stop being the structure for everyone else's weakness. It's asking you to withdraw that strength that was compensating for the karmic distortion. I'll just move them up. Let's see where the karmic depth lies in the west. We've got the devil in the west. West is here to bring the behavioural distortion fully exposed and into full clarity. This is the push-pull pattern, the distortion loop and the behavioural hook that keeps you tied to the stabiliser self. It's an addictive dynamic that puts you in a position where manipulation and emotional need is put before the self and gives you a false contract and energy extraction from your own internal resources that now need to be reset. And this is where it's become visible. It's ties and bonds that you couldn't release yourself from that are now being exposed, and the reason that why you stepped into the stabiliser self for everyone else. You may find people around you with a shapeshifter behaviour, inconsistent and intermittent reinforcements, and using control and contact as a mechanism to keep you hooked. They come close, go cold cycle, people are ghosting, and the hope that kept you in the loop. But when they're coming, only when they need your strength, need your courage and need your resources. It's a pattern that fed you in the overcarrying in the south. This is the karma of the Karmic Reset. And this is a pattern that has now become truly visible. This is what the star is attempting to illuminate now, and it shows you the direction and where the distortion was coming from. Let's see what your higher truth is. The higher truth is to stop you re-entering the loop and to stop you negotiating with this distorted energy. We've got death, the structural end. This is here to terminate the structure of the old direction of overgiving and the distorted energy of the devil. This is the identity now that you can't return to. It's a role that that is finished. This contract, it becomes void, and the direction that it is now closed. The pattern cannot be revived. This is the end of the old trajectory and the structural start of the new as we move into the east. In reset phase, no, this is not optional, gradual, or even symbolic. This is structural death, or this stabilises self, and being in a position where people who are hot and cold with communication are using that as a form of control to keep you attached to this overgiving energy and then remaining dependent on you. This is the version of you what was tied to the loop. It was the false identity that you kept on carrying regardless, and the compensatory role of the stabiliser self that you now need to outgrow. Let's see what's coming in the west. East. Justice, equilibrium, fairness. Justice here is the incoming correction. It's the next movement and the correction that is arriving, and the consequences now that can't be avoided. This addresses the over-carrying exposed by strength in the south, and the distortion revealed by the devil in the west, and the old trajectory that has ended by death in the north, and the clean coordinate shown by the star in the centre. Justice is a mechanism that ties this entire cross together. It is a moment where the system says, this is a consequence of the pattern, not punishment, not karma's fate, but the correction. It's here to close the old loop and seal this old contract and balance the energy field into the new frequency of the star of healing and alignment and direction, and assures that the new movement starts clean and it represents the structural pivot that you move into out of the old cycle and into the new trajectory. And the Karmic Cross is saying, move in alignment with correction, do not resist with consequence, and do not return to imbalance. Justice in the east is a non-negotiable adjustment that sets a new direction of this karmic debt. So we're going to go to the south first, because this always activates this Karmic Reset cross. What are you over carrying? Why are you unstable as a self? We've got the Lovers RX. This here represents relationships that are on and off. Communication as a form of control. And when they come back because they have some need from you, not out of any empathy or love. There's some part of themselves that feels that they are bondage to you when they need only. It's like they cut the chain and then they mend it. Cut the chain and then they mend it. Let's see who this devil actually is. We've got the Emperor. This is distorted male energy. This is someone who is using stability as a form of control with you. But this is someone who actually lacks stability themselves. This is someone who uses control and distorted patterns to keep you looped in this distorted energy. They have everything to give you and withhold, but yet withhold everything. And this is why, with the strength, each time you feel that you have to overgive, overlove, and to extend your own resources to compensate for this distorted energy of this Emperor. This is someone who has his view of relationships are the only view, and let's not get too serious. Let's keep it on the low, and this is the reason why they are in and out of your life. And let's see why death is causing this structural close. We've got the Hermit. This is telling you that you should move now to go inside to regain your inner strength and to find your own inner clarity and to use your own wisdom and to move away from this distorted energy of the Emperor. Someone who uses command and control to keep you bound to them. It's like he's feeling some sort of addiction in here to be the one who stabilises him when he's out of control. And then once he's feels he's in control, he leaves. The Hermit's here to help you see the pattern you've inherited and the truth that you just didn't want to name. So the structural death will come easier and reveal the mechanism that tried to keep you in the dark. And the identity are built on avoidance of understanding the root truth of this karmic relationship that you've had on and off. That's justice bringing in. Justice bringing in the still point. Justice bringing is bringing in fresh clarity, a new vision, and helping you move towards a new path, one of direction and one of strength and one of vision. And it's a path that you may walk alone for now as you rebuild your inner confidence and your inner strength and break you free from this relationship that you are so addicted to, that is on and off. One where he only comes to you when his own structure and discipline are lacking and you're the one who's overgiving. Let's have a look at Star. The world is here to close this cycle finally and completely, and to bring you on a path of equality, equilibrium, and so you understand your own inner self of justice for yourself, the things that you deserve, the path that you need to be on, and to break the addiction to turbulent relationships and to bring about a structural end to being the one who is always overgiving in relationships and building addiction towards people who just don't deserve your energy. I hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next one.